Hello everybody, this is JDaddy, but today I'm just going to go as Pop. And with me today I got my grandson G.
Hi.
And G has discovered that he is the chicken whisperer. He comes out here and plays with the chickens, and he has learned to make some pretty good treats. You know, today a lot of people are getting chickens, people who live out in the country. And we're one of those folks who had chickens a long time ago, and we've got some more chickens. And G's going to show us how to make a dessert for these chickens today. And so we're going to go back to the table outside and we're going to do that for you. So come on, G, let's go.
All right, let's go.
So here he is. And tell us what we got here, G.
Okay, we got some oats. We got some grumby worms. I don't think I'm saying that right. We got some sunflower seeds. We got a cucumber, some beets, and cauliflower and blueberries.
All right. And I can see here that you got some water.
Yeah, I got water too.
You got water. And when you make it all up, I guess you're going to put that in a freezer or something.
Yep.
And you're going to make it in a bundt pan.
Yeah.
So his chickens are going to get some bundt cake today. Is that right?
Yep.
Okay. So let's show us what we do first.
All right. You can put some quarter oats in first. Just like this. That's probably good. And then that'll probably be it for those. And then we probably want to chop up the cucumber.
You got to be careful with that knife.
Yep. And then they just won't have the back or the top. That's probably fine. And I'm probably going to chop this one one more time. Actually, no, it's fine. Now we add them in.
I guess to a chicken that looks pretty good.
Yeah. And then we'll add some sunflower seeds.
Sunflower seeds. Okay.
If I can open these, which I can't. How do I? Oh, it's like this. Oh my goodness, this is.
There you go.
To sprinkle a little bit in there. Maybe 2 pinches. Then we're gonna add some beets.
It's good for chicken to eat their beets.
Yeah. And then we can add maybe some cauliflower. It really doesn't matter what order you put them in. I just like putting the grits in first. It looks cool once you get done with it. The beets.
So you're just making a good mixture for them.
Yeah. There's really not that much flavor in it, but I hope they like it.
Not for us, but maybe for a chicken.
Yeah, maybe. And then
So you can use. Are you going to use all of that? You think?
Around there, yeah.
Okay.
We're probably gonna add some.
Ooh, some grub worms.
Yummy.
Oh, this looks yummy, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Grub worms. All right.
That's gonna
Whatever
smell
chicken
good.
dreams of
Oh
in
yeah.
a dessert.
Oh yeah. Okay, and then
All right.
we will put some blueberries.
Blueberries. That's all right.
And then maybe sprinkle a little bit more. Now we can really just do anything we want with it. Just put anything that's left over. It's like some more blueberries, just random stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That make sure they can have it, but yeah. After that, just sprinkle a little bit, sprinkle a little bit. Then we should be good to add some water.
Okay.
That's probably good. We don't want to fill it up too much because then like, the whole thing will freeze and
Okay.
you can hardly peck at it. Now we put it in the freezer and wait maybe 4 or 5 hours, and
Okay.
then we'll be good. We can
All
feed the
right.
chickens.
So we're going to take this to our freezer, and we're going to be back with you in about 4 or 5 hours, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you, G.
Bye.
Okay, we're back. It's been 4 or 5 hours, and you can see here what it looks like. Gentry's here with me. And
Hey.
before we give it to the chickens, Gentry,
Yeah.
so go over a list of what you put in there.
I put kale, oats, blueberries, cauliflower, grubby worms, and a cucumber.
Okay, so all of that chickens like, and I guess people could look and see a lot of things people like, but don't you have a list of things that you cannot put in one of these?
Yeah, you cannot have moldy or they cannot have moldy or rotten food, dry beans, green potato peels, and chocolate or any type of candy.
Yeah. Or fast food, right? Can't have fast food either.
No.
Yeah, okay. All right, so we have the bundt cake dessert here for the chickens.
Yeah.
And when you took it out of the freezer, you put a little hot water on it, right?
Yeah, so it could, like, we can pour it out.
So it'll come out of the pan.
Yep.
Okay, well, let's give it a try. What do you do next?
Alright, so we put it on this, I'm pretty sure, right? I'm pretty sure. Now there might be a little water. There we go.
So you turn it upside down.
And would you look at that?
Look at that, a frozen chicken treat.
And that is all the oats and sunflower seeds
All
at
right.
the bottom.
And now what do we do?
Good look at
We're
this.
going to take it to the chickens.
Yep.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
We're going to go this way?
What way should we go?
Yeah, let's go
We
this
can
way.
go this way. I don't know. Choose our.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Okay.
Here, I'll get the gate for you.
All right. Thank you.
There goes the chicken whisperer.
Now they should start eating once I get out.
Well, Gentry, looks like you were right.
Yep.
What a great dessert.
Mhm.
All right, we plan on making some more videos with Gentry the chicken whisperer. Some of his chickens here. I think there's Cluck Norris. There's one named Pablo.
Yeah. You can tell which one's Pablo. The Pablo one is different than all the other ones right
Yeah.
there.
Mm-hmm.
Looks. Yeah.
They're sure liking that. Okay, so Gentry, I think we're good for the day.
Yeah.
And so tell everybody bye, and we'll see them next time.
Bye. See you next time.